In this video, I'll show you how to send money to a bank account using Wise. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open the Wise app or website and log in with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Go to Send Money. Click the Send Money button on your dashboard. Step 3. Add or select recipient. Choose an existing recipient or add a new one by entering their bank details. This includes their account number, IBAN, SWIFT BIC, etc. Step 4. Enter transfer amount and currency. Specify how much money to send and select the currency for the recipient. Step 5. Review and confirm transfer details. Verify all transfer details, including fees, exchange rate, and estimated delivery time. Step 6. Choose payment method. Select your preferred payment source, such as bank transfer, debit card, or Wise Balance. Step 7. Complete the payment. Follow the prompts to complete the payment and send money to the recipient's bank account. Step 8. Track transfer status. Use Wise's transfer tracking features to monitor the progress until the recipient receives the funds. Now I have some tips for you for sending money via Wise. Double check the recipient bank details to avoid delays. Consider using Wise balance or card payments for faster transfers, and review the fees and exchange rates before confirming the transfer. And that's how you send a transfer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.